Hello, New School Beyblade here, and yes, I'm back. If you don't know, a lot of those videos are pre-recorded, and I haven't been on face-to-face in a while, but yeah. I just got the GOAT, TackleGoat, and SwordDran. Real happy to get this guy. Sorry, I just woke up, so might as well get this done. I got this yesterday. You'll be seeing this today. Because why not? Get this, so since it's been a while since I got this. Let's get this. Yeah. Oh god. Yeah. Definitely can't wait to get this. And also, I'm finally doing the El Drago series. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. That should be done probably tomorrow, the next 2 days, since I'm off. God. Wow. God. Here's the. Yep. Can't wait to. This is actually a really nice recolor. Then here's the GOAT. QR code. QR code. But yeah, here's the GOAT. Looks like a reskin turtle. Yeah. Yeah, reskin a turtle. Or, yeah, night shell. Or whatever. Decent reskin. Oh god. Damn it. Yeah. I didn't get home from work till 10 something. It's like closed. And didn't go to bed till like 1. Because I needed to eat and yeah. Okay, there's him. Also, I went to the Halloween Spirit. It was actually fun. I just went in there to just look and also watch the girls where people get scared. But yeah. And 260 a needle. At least we got a decent, okay ratchet, but yeah. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, oh yeah. But yeah, I got a Hufflepuff socks for my cosplay. Because if you guys don't know, I'm a really big Harry Potter fan. Literally have a wand right here. That's actually for the cosplay. So I kind of use this as a little fidget thing. And I'm literally watching a Harry Potter What If series. And actually, the fun thing is when I'm recording, like binge recording videos, I'm actually having headphones in, still talking to you guys, and listening to a What If or yeah. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Oh god, and goodbyes.